Welcome to UNP Learning Platform. In this session of Microsoft Excel, we are going to understand how to use text functions part 1 in Microsoft Excel. First of all, let us know what are text functions in Excel. Text functions are those functions that allows us to manipulate and analyze text data in cells. The different types of text functions are trim, proper, upper, lower, etc. In this video, we will cover 10 functions and continue the others in next video. Let us start with trim function. Trim function removes duplicate spaces and spaces at the start and end of a text. Here is an example. It goes like this. First, we will need to type is equal to function name, open the bracket, select the cell, close the bracket, enter. Previously, we had space at the start of the text, and now after using the trim function, it is removed. It works the same for others as well. Second comes the proper function. It capitalizes the first letter in the text. It goes like this. Type is equal to function name, open the bracket, select the cell, close the bracket, hit enter. The first letter of the word is changed into capital letter. And it's same for others as well. Third comes the upper function. It converts all the lowercase characters of the input text string into uppercase characters. It goes like this. Type is equal to function name, open the bracket, select the cell, close the bracket, hit enter. So all the letters are converted into uppercase letters. And it's same for others as well. Fourth comes the lower function. It converts all the uppercase letters of the input text string into lowercase characters. It goes like this. Type is equal to function name, open the bracket, select the cell, close the bracket, hit enter. And same with others as well. Fifth comes the len function, that is length function. It returns the length of a string. It counts the number of characters in the text string and returns the length. It goes like this. Type is equal to function name, open the bracket, select the cell, close the bracket, enter. So we have BOB01. There's 5 characters in this particular input, and it's same with others as well. Next comes the char function. It returns a character when a given valid character code or numerical. It goes like this. Type is equal to function name, open the bracket, select the cell, close the bracket, enter. So this is the character code of the given input, and same for others as well. And next comes, that is the seventh function that we are going to look at, is left function. It allows us to extract a certain number of characters starting at the left side of a text string. It goes like this. First type is equal to function name, open the bracket, select the cell, and also we need to mention the number of characters that we want to retrieve. So I will type 2, close the bracket, hit enter. So I got 2 letters ON from the left side of the text. And it is same for this particular word also. It's equal to left, open the bracket, select the text, give the number of characters you want to retrieve. Here we'll give it as 3, close the bracket, hit enter. We have got 3 letters from the left side. And next comes the right function. That is the 8th function that we are working on, it is right function. It goes like this. Actually, right functions allows us to extract a certain number of characters starting at right side of a text string. Type is equal to write, open the bracket, select the text, and here also we will need to mention the number of characters that we want to retrieve. I will give it as 3, close the bracket, hit enter. So we got right side 3 letters of this particular text, and it's same for this as well. Equal to right, open the bracket, select the text, number of characters, close the text, bracket, and here is the answer. We got last 2 letters from the right side of this text. And next comes the mid function. This is the ninth function that we are working on. Mid function allows us to extract a given number of characters from the middle of a text string. It goes like this. Type is equal to, type the function name, open the bracket, and type the text, comma. We wanted to retrieve a particular number of characters between the range. So we will need to mention the range. So I want the letters from second position to fifth position. I'll close the bracket. So we have N, L, I, N, E. Thus, in this particular range that I have given. Let us look at for the other word as well. Is equal to mid, open the bracket, select the text. I want the range of characters from second to fourth, close the bracket, hit enter. The letters in the given range are L, A, S, S. And the 10th function, that is concatenate function. Concatenate function joins different pieces of text string together. It goes like this. Is equal to, we need to type is equal to first and give function name, open the bracket, select the text, and since we are joining two characters or two strings, we need to give both the strings, and we will need to select the other one as well. Close the bracket, hit enter. So we had online classes individually, and when we used concatenate function, it merged together. And let us try for this as well. Equal to concatenate, open the bracket, classes, comma, online. Now it will give the output as classes online because we selected classes first. Yeah. So the answer is classes online. Let's continue with other functions in the next session. This is all about today's lecture. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.